attack about the Tomah VA has become a key issue in the race for U.S. Senate this year.
Political reporter Jessica Arp has what you need to know about what happened there in tonight's reality check.
In a very strongly worded ad, State Senator Leah Vukmir gives her version of how Senator Tammy Baldwin handled the Tomah VA opioid crisis.
You've got some nerve, Senator Baldwin, saying a nurse doesn't care about patients. You knew about the opioid crisis at the Tomah VA, and you did nothing.
This needs clarification and really a timeline to understand exactly what happened at the Tomah VA. The public first learned about problems at the Tomah VA in January 2015 after an investigative report uncovered doctors overprescribing opioids, vets dubbing the facility Candyland. But members of Congress had been getting messages from whistleblowers before then. According to extensive reporting by the Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel, Baldwin's office received a letter from a whistleblower raising concerns in March of 2014. The senator then asked the Tomah facility about the issues and asked the VA Inspector General to investigate. In August of 2014, Baldwin's office was sent a report by the VA that dismissed some allegations but did raise serious concerns about opioid prescriptions at Tomah. Baldwin's office sent that report to the constituent who raised concerns but did not make it public. The day after that report was sent to Baldwin, veteran Jason Simikoski died of mixed-use toxicity from his treatment at Tomah, a fact Baldwin would not learn until later.
A veteran died. You offered taxpayer dollars in exchange for silence and hired Hillary Clinton's lawyer to cover it up.
Again, this needs clarification. The rest of the fall of 2014, a veteran and whistleblower named Ryan Honnell tried to get the attention of multiple members of Congress on this issue. Honnell ultimately reached Baldwin aides. Honnell tried to get Baldwin's aide to make public the report he discovered her office had. That aide, Marquette Baylor, claims she wrote 3 reports on the issue she shared with superiors. Baldwin claims she never saw it. This is where an attorney gets involved. Baylor was fired by Baldwin in January 2015, 2 weeks after the Tomah news reports. Baylor claims Baldwin's office offered her a severance package that included a confidentiality clause, and she turned it down. Baylor then hired a Republican law firm to file a federal ethics complaint, and Baldwin hired Democratic attorney Mark Elias, who has represented Hillary Clinton, to find out what went wrong in her office. In March of 2015, Elias's review found Baldwin staffers didn't properly handle the Tomah concerns and said there was no cover-up by the senator's staff. Baldwin demoted or cut pay of some of her staff in response and told the Journal-Sentinel that, quote, mistakes were made. Baylor's ethics complaint was ultimately dismissed by a Senate committee.
I've spent my life helping patients. You've spent yours playing politics, and it cost veterans their lives.
Since this ad aired, Simikoski's family has appeared in ads for Baldwin, calling it shameful that Vukmir would criticize Baldwin and pointing out that Baldwin helped author legislation to create changes at the VA. I'm Jessica Arp with this News 3 Reality Check.
If you have an idea for a reality check, send it to us at realitycheck@channel3000.com.